Everbridge Control Centre lets you know as soon as there's an event so you can start to respond as quickly as possible. If I trigger several different inputs here from a number of different systems, we're able to quickly identify on my map where there's an alarm, drill straight into the site to see the exact location of the alarm, and then as an operator I can begin handling the process where I'm presented with guidance and all the information I'm going to need to manage this alarm. So I've got the nearest cameras automatically displayed, along with details of the different events we've received from the underlying system. We can then present a standard operating procedure for the operator to follow, where they're able to go through and confirm there's a security incident. If necessary, they could launch a dispatch request. And then we can stay in touch with the officers as we're managing the incident. And then finally, as the situation is resolved, all of the information we've captured is stored within the system for auditing and compliance purposes. And once I go ahead and resolve the alarm, we can generate a report with all of the alarm information, which can be quickly shared as a PDF or other format to advise the security manager or anyone else who may need to be aware of this incident and how it was resolved.